So, welcome to 1 week, 100 people for 2022. These are some warm-up sketches from people in the subway. Of course, I'm not drawing on location here. I snapped some photos and painted these at home just to show you how it's done. So this is a little pencil gesture. That's the kind of thing I'll do on location, just to get the posture in as simple as possible, cleanest little lines. Might only take 30 seconds, less. I like to make little smooth, continuous lines. Just like little clues for myself when I come back later with ink or color. So here's the mask. Of course, still COVID here in Montreal, so everyone's wearing masks. I like to use these pointed rounds. You can do everything with a brush that you might do with a pen, but of course then the advantage is you can draw in color. Or of course you can fold the brush on the side and fill a huge shape. So it goes from thin to thick. It's really, the brush can do everything. This is my favorite part. This little bit just turned out perfect. That was Pearl orange there. Nice opaque orange I like to use for these little highlights. So that's my process from gesture drawing to ink and then color. It's really the color is the fun part, of course. It's where it adds the volume, the solidity, makes the sketch into a real thing. I love it when you get this sense of three-dimensionality comes out of well, it's the volume, as I said, the mass that you can make with color versus the activity of the line, sort of thin as compared to thick. I'm always thinking about the smallest possible marks, the most efficient kind of line, because I'm thinking ahead for when I get to do the color. So that was my day one. I'm going to pop over to the Facebook group and see what you guys have been up to. Take care.